Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about something we do every single day, our daily routine. Talking about your daily routine in English is one of the best ways to practice speaking naturally and fluently. Whether you're learning English for school, work, or travel, being able to describe your typical day helps you build confidence and use common vocabulary in real life.
That's right. Talking about your daily routine is a great topic because it uses the simple present tense, the tense we use for habits, facts, and things we do regularly. So today, we'll take you through a full daily routine, step by step, with useful phrases and expressions you can use to describe your own day.
Let's get started with the morning routine, the part of the day that sets the tone for everything else. Morning routine. I usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is check my phone for a few minutes. I look at messages, emails, or sometimes just scroll through social media. After that, I get out of bed and make it tidy. I like starting my day with a clean and organized space.
That's a good habit. After I wake up, I head straight to the bathroom. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and sometimes take a quick shower. It really helps me feel fresh and ready for the day.
Yes, and while getting ready, you can use some simple English expressions. For example, you can say, I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I comb my hair. These are all very common daily actions in English.
After getting ready, I usually go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. My breakfast depends on my mood. Sometimes I have eggs and toast, other days I just have cereal or fruit. And of course, I always have a cup of coffee. I can't start my day without it.
Same here. I love having a healthy breakfast because it gives me energy. You can sentences like, I make breakfast. I eat my breakfast while watching the news. I drink a cup of tea. I pack my lunch. These are all useful phrases when describing your morning routine.
After breakfast, I usually spend a few minutes planning my day. I check my schedule or make a to-do list. Then, around 8 a.m., I leave for work.
If you're a student, you can say something like, I go to school at 8 a.m. or I take the bus to school every morning.
That's right. And if you work from home, you could say, I start work at 9 a.m. I usually check emails and attend online meetings.
Midday routine. Now, let's move on to the afternoon. After working or studying all morning, I usually take a short lunch break around noon. I like to have something light, like a sandwich or salad.
That's a good idea. I usually have lunch around 1 p.m. I often eat with my coworkers and we talk about our day or share funny stories. Lunch is a great time to relax and recharge for the afternoon.
Here are some common phrases you can use for lunchtime. I have lunch at noon. I eat lunch with my colleagues. I go out for lunch. I bring my lunch from home.
After lunch, it's time to get back to work or classes. I usually have meetings in the afternoon, or sometimes I work on projects. I try to stay focused, but I'll admit it's easy to feel sleepy after lunch.
Yes, the afternoon slump is real. To keep my energy up, I usually drink another cup of coffee around 3 p.m. Sometimes, if I have a little time, I take a short walk outside to get some fresh air.
That's a great idea. You can sentences like, I attend meetings. I check my emails. I work on assignments. I take a short break. I go for a walk.
These are perfect examples of daily routine activities during the work or school day. Evening routine. Now, let's talk about what we do in the evening. After finishing work or school, I usually get home around 6 or 7 p.m. The first thing I do is change into comfortable clothes. Then I either relax for a bit or start preparing dinner.
Yes, the evening is my favorite time of the day. It's when I can finally unwind. I like to cook dinner and spend time with my family. Sometimes we eat together and talk about our day.
That sounds nice. You can use these sentences to describe your evening. I get home from work. I cook dinner. I eat dinner with my family. I relax on the sofa. I watch TV or listen to music.
It's important to have a little me time after a busy day.
That's true. I also like to take time to relax in the evening. I might take a walk, practice yoga, or write in my journal. Doing something peaceful helps me clear my mind before bed.
If you're learning English, you can also say, I check my social media. I watch videos online. I spend time with my family. I go out with friends. These are all very natural phrases to include in your evening routine.
Night routine. Now, let's move on to the last part of the day, the night routine. Before going to bed, I usually clean up the kitchen and prepare things for the next day. I might pack my bag, set my alarm, or plan what to wear.
That's a smart habit. I like to have a calm bedtime routine. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and sometimes read a few pages of a book before going to sleep.
It really helps me relax and sleep better.
Yes, and here are a few more examples. I take a shower before bed. I brush my teeth. I set my alarm. I go to bed at 10:30.
These are simple sentences you can use when talking about your nighttime habits.
Everyone's bedtime routine is a little different, but the key is to describe what you do regularly. You can use time expressions like usually, always, sometimes, or every night to make your sentences sound more naturally. For example, I usually go to bed around 11. I always read before sleeping. I sometimes watch a movie before bed.
That's a great tip. Using time expressions helps you sound more fluent when describing your daily routine. Grammar focus, the simple present tense.
Let's take a quick moment to talk about grammar. When describing your daily routine, use the simple present tense. For example, I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to work. These describe actions that happen regularly, things you do every day.
And don't forget to add an S at the end of the verb when talking about he, she, or it. For example, he wakes up at 6. She eats breakfast at 8. He goes to work.
Right. It's a small detail, but it makes your English sound much more accurate.
Weekend routine, optional part of the day. Now, let's talk a little about weekends, because daily routines can be different when you don't have work or school. On weekends, I usually wake up later, maybe around 8 or 9 a.m. I like to take it easy, have a big breakfast, and spend time with family or friends.
Yes, weekends are for relaxing. I often go out for a walk, do some shopping, or meet friends for coffee. Sometimes I clean my house or do laundry. It's nice to have a change of pace after a busy week.
You can describe your weekend like this. On Saturdays, I usually meet my friends. I go to the gym. I watch movies at home. I visit my family.
These are great examples to help you talk naturally about what you do outside of your normal weekday routine.
Bringing it all together. Now that we've talked about all parts of the day, morning, afternoon, evening, and night, let's put it all together in one full example.
Here's an example of a complete daily routine in English. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower. Then I make breakfast and enjoy a cup of coffee while checking my emails. Around 8 a.m., I leave for work. I usually start work at 9 and spend the morning attending meetings or working on projects. At noon, I have lunch with my coworkers. In the afternoon, I finish my tasks and sometimes take a short walk. I leave work around 6 p.m. and go home. In the evening, I cook dinner and watch a TV show with my family. Before going to bed, I read a book or plan for the next day. I usually go to bed around 10:30.
That's a perfect example. It's clear, simple, and uses everyday English vocabulary. You can use this structure to describe your own daily routine. Just change the times or activities to match your life.
Exactly. You can even practice by writing your daily routine in a notebook or recording yourself speaking out loud. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to talk naturally.
Conclusion. So today, we learned how to describe our daily routines in English, from the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed.
We covered morning, afternoon, evening, and night activities, plus useful grammar and vocabulary to help you sound fluent and confident.
Now it's your turn. Write about your own daily routine in the comments below. Use simple sentences like, I wake up at 7, or I go to work at 9. We'd love to see how you describe your day in English.
And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English learning videos.
Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next lesson.